guys, Erica Sierra here again with another plan with me, and hopefully it'll be on time. I'm thinking Monday. It'll be definitely uploaded. Today I have a full kit. Maybe I think it's the Deluxe kit from Planningworld, and I'm just gonna go through the kit for you. I did haul this a while ago. But it's the prime time to use it. I think it's gorgeous. It's very pretty, girly, and so on and so on. It is foiled in gold, and I will start showing you now and just be quiet. So this here is your full boxes sheet. You get 8 total full boxes. And the thing I love about her kits from Planningworld is that the girls are interchangeable. So you'll get light skin, dark skin, medium skin girls to actually exchange out for the full boxes. And on this sheet is where you get a lot of your icon stickers. You get some planners, bags, t-shirts, flower cards, laptops, luggage, and you do get some of the interchangeable females to put in your planner. This sheet here is your to-do today, little things this week, next week, work, school, spending, workout, and family. It also has some little thing icons here for some little boxes. On this sheet here, you get quarter boxes and half boxes. You do get 2 of the quarter boxes and then 2 of the half boxes. And then at the bottom, you get 8 of the headers. And there are two of each of the colors. Oh my God, I cannot talk. And then you do get 4 more quarter boxes there at the bottom. On this sheet, she does have some heart checklist, and it is foiled in the gold. The hearts are with the same type of artwork in the background. Really cute. This sheet here is your washi sheet. You do get 4 strips of washi, 2 different sizes, and you do get a habit tracker here with some little things, stickers here, and then 2 flags at the top. And then on this sheet, you do get a full week sidebar sticker. And then you get another sidebar sticker that doesn't have the days of the week in it, but it does have open boxes, which I really appreciate. Then on this side, you do get your days of the week. And then you get your date number covers. And then you get some heart flags. So not only do you get the heart check boxes, but you also get some heart check flags. So that's really neat. So yeah, I do believe this is her deluxe kit. It comes with a ton of stuff. What I've started to do is when I get deluxe kits and not like minis or half kits, I tend to use them all through my planner. So all of my inserts get the same for that week or 2 weeks. Gets the same kind of different things. So like in my monthly, I try to use some of these little stickers and icons and things like that. My pre-plan and my to-dos, like all that stuff, my notes, like they all get stickers just so I'm not stuck with a ton of different stickers that are left over that I probably won't get to use because I have a ton of them which I haven't used. And it'll be cool to do a video where I show you guys a whole week spread with my leftovers, but I don't know. I just don't think I could make it as cohesive as others. I will try, but I don't think I can. So I definitely tried to use this up as best I could. So yeah, I'll try that as best I can today. So let's plan. I will be using my usual Jasenia Principles weekly planner. Yeah. So this is the planner I always use. This is her weekly. I don't see myself ever switching to another one unless I create my own, which I don't even see that happening anytime soon. So I'm just going to zoom you in and just position the camera correctly because right now it is, I don't like the way it looks. So hold on. Okay, so per usual, I'm going to start with the full boxes and I'm just map out where I would like them. And yeah, I think. Yeah, that's what I'll do. I'm going crazy, sorry. This lady and these hands will be staying here. I will be using the other 2 from the other kit. No offense. Okay, sidebar sticker is first. This is the one I always mess up on. Always. Alright, so there's all of our full boxes put down. They're very pretty, very glossy, and full of foil. Well, yeah, these last three are full of foil, which I should have mixed them up, but whatever. Oh well. So now I'm going to start with my header stickers. No. Now I'm going to start with my date covers. I'm going to do those and then do the number covers so we can get that out of the way. And then I'll finish with the sidebar sticker. You guys know I have a hard time keeping you in the frame. I do apologize in advance. Sorry. Alright, so to put the number covers down, I am going to pull in, sorry for the noise, my tweezers, because I am not going to be able to grasp these. 30, 31st, 1st, 2nd, 3rd, yeah. Okay, so let's start with our sidebar. I'm gonna pull in a hydrate sticker for my sidebar too, because I don't do that often. Okay, so put a this week. Header down. Then my sidebar sticker from the kit. I'll put that right underneath. And then, what are we gonna do? What are we gonna do? I do want that, so I'll do this. Because I am in love with this artwork here. I just have to use it again. Wait, oh no, okay, so I can. So that there. And then a hydrate sticker. Not a hydrate sticker, Lord Jesus. A habit tracker. I'm gonna use this for as a hydrate sticker. Learn how to speak. Alright, so we'll put that down there. Sorry, I was out of frame for like the 1 millionth time. And then just to cover that bottom, because I'm really like weird like that, I'm going to put I did last time, which was really cute, a strip of washi, but yeah, nah, I ain't gonna do that this time. It was really cute though, but I'm not gonna do it that way this time. So the sidebar sticker is done. I'm gonna put my today stickers there. Yeah, the today stickers, and then we'll start decorating with the washi at the bottom. I'm in love with this kit. It's so pretty, and I love the colors. Like, some of them are bold, but then she does have like her light pastel colors, which are really cute. And I was good. I pre-planned for this week, which I didn't do last time, but I did do it this time because I remembered I didn't do it last time. Okay, so let's do the washi. And I will be pulling in other washi as well, because on this kit the washi is very thin. So it's a thin strip. Normally we get like a bigger strip, which I don't mind, because then I get to put in other washi. So not only am I going to be just incorporating this washi, but I'm also going to be incorporating other washi as well. So I will be pulling in this Simply Gilded washi. There you go. This Simply Gilded washi, it was part of her tropical collection. It's fairly new. So yeah, I'll be using that there. So I'm gonna wipe those lines out just so it's clear. It's fairly quiet Sunday evening, which I like. I mean, it sucks because, of course, we all know you're an adult. Work is tomorrow, but it's nice having a nice quiet Sunday. I was able to go out earlier in the day, get some errands ran, and I mean, I did it fast, probably within like 40 minutes. Just because, like, I knew I had things to do and I didn't want to be out for too long. And plus, like, when you're doing errands, like when you're running errands, like grocery store and things like that, like, I just hate crowds. Like, oh God, it freaks me out. And I hate waiting. I'm very, very, very impatient. And I am for instant gratification, in and out. I do not want to have to wait for anything. And I literally hate waiting. So I think people can notice that I hate waiting and it's bad. And I don't mean to like look like I'm annoyed or anything like that, because I'm definitely not annoyed at anyone. It's just me. It's just me. I don't know. I hope I don't offend anybody. I'm sure I do. Okay, so we're gonna pull in the washi from the kit. I'm gonna pull the two top strips because they'll fit perfectly on these two sheets, and I can use the rest of the washi for the other sheets. And it's just over the lip just a little bit, but I'm still gonna cut it off because that's gonna annoy the heck out of me. Virgo issues. That looks perfect. I have like this little corner of my desk where like all these washi strips, like the pieces